guys, Original Asherella here. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to take inexpensive, like $5 or less washout hair color like these and make them look awesome, way better than they would normally just with regular application. But before I get to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave me a like and a comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Original Asherella. I just recently started a Facebook page for my channel too, so go ahead and check that out. It is at Original Asherella on Facebook, and I'll put the link in the description. So, like I said, what I'm going to show you guys today is how to take cheap, like Halloween hair color, hairspray, and that kind of stuff, and make them look really awesome for your cosplay characters. I've mentioned this in videos before that I can't really go to my 9 to 5 with a whole head full of purple or pink hair or anything like that. So I've gotten really good at washout hair color and things like that. And these, you know, they do what they say they're gonna do, but they leave your hair sticky, tacky. They're hard to like style afterwards, and you know, they're just not great. But there's a few simple things you can do to make these look a lot better, last a lot longer, and give your hair still some movement, unlike, you know, the rock hard Halloween hairspray. Everything you're gonna need, you already have, and so let's get to it. First up, I'm going to apply like the different ones to my hair, and then I'm going to show you what to do to make them look like so much better. Let me grab my hairbrush, the good old wet brush. Alrighty, so first up I'm going to use the spray. You know, Halloween hairspray can be kind of messy. This is actually, you can buy this at like drugstores. It's a little bit better quality than just the Halloween aisle hairspray, but it's still kind of messy and stiff, and you know, will flake and fall out of your hair. What I'm going to show you how to do is make it last a lot longer for sure. So let me go ahead and shake it up and spray my hair down. Okay, so I've got my pink hair section, and it's like spray pink, stiff, you know, not a lot of body, not a lot of movement to it. Hard style after you spray it. Next up, I'm going to use this hair marker. They're called like hair markers. That's like they come in packs of different colors, and you know, not like hair chalk. They're like kind of tacky and sticky, and they go on really thick, but after it is applied, like your hair is like, you'll see. And if you've ever used them, you'll know. Let's go over here and do green. So I'm just applying this. You see how thick that goes on? Like the color is great, but what it looks like after you just apply it regularly, I'm running my brush through it, and it's still just like goopy, tacky, sticky, like icky. And yeah, it's turned your hair a different color, but like look how stiff that is. Not good. Like nothing you can do anything with post application. And next up, I'm gonna use, it's like this temporary washout hair color paste. This is from the dollar store, and it's like $1 a pack. It doesn't show up great on darker colored hair. If you have bleached out hair, you know, it probably works well for you, but if you have dark hair, it's probably not going to work very well. It shows up on my hair, but it's not super pigmented. But I've got my pink, my teal, and my neon green stripe, all different types of hair color. I'm going to use the same trick and the same tip on all three. That's going to help you guys out when you use your temporary hair color. Let me wash my hands off, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and I have like cleaned all the hair color off of my hands. I've given the washout hair color time to dry. We've got pink, teal underneath, and then this bright green over here on this side. I love the way this green has turned out. Oh my gosh, I love it. But here's the thing, super stiff, like no hardly any way you can style this hair as stiff as it is right now. Super tacky, it's like sticky, like you can't run your hands through it, there's no like movement to it, like look how stiff that is. And then this one is both stiff and tacky and just kind of like icky feeling. Like you don't want to go all day if you're at a con or if you're at a party or like whatever you're doing your temporary hair color for. Like this is not what you want. But like the color's great, but your hair is not great now. So a couple of things you need to transform these into like really awesome temporary colored hair, and you probably already have them. Of course, you've got a hairbrush. The main ingredient, the key ingredient to this recipe is dry shampoo. Right now I'm using Aussie Clean Volume Dry Shampoo. This is actually the first time I've bought this kind. Actually got a good deal on it, that's why I got it. I do love some Not Your Mother's Beach Day. Not Your Mother's is great. This Aussie is actually really great. The Suave Natural Dry Shampoo is really good also. The only dry shampoo that I really don't like is Tresemme. It's not up to par with the others. So anyway, dry shampoo, a hairbrush, and a hair straightener. This is a Conair Pro styler. I am partial to end stylers. I just broke my end styler, and this is my backup for when I break my end styler, because I've broken two at this point. I don't like a regular flat iron, but a regular flat iron will work. So, dry shampoo and a hair straightener. What you want to do, pretty self-explanatory. Take the section of hair that you've colored, give it a good dose of dry shampoo. The stickier it is, the more you want to like add your dry shampoo to it. Not only will the dry shampoo give your hair like body again with the color on it, it will actually brighten the color up a little bit, and it's going to make it last a lot longer than if you didn't put it on. So I've dry shampooed it. I'm going to run a brush through it. Okay, you guys saw me run a brush through it before. Look at this. Look at the difference in like the movement of my hair. Underneath the teal stripe, see, that dollar store color just does not hold up. I don't really recommend it unless you have bleached out hair, but you know, it's there, you can see it. And then we've got the green over here, and oh my god, I love this. I might do my whole head after I get done with this in the green. It looks so awesome. I'll take a picture and send it to my mom and tell her that I dyed my whole hair green. My whole head green. Or no, I'll send it to my boss and tell my company that I dyed my whole hair green. No, I probably shouldn't do that. I dropped my dry shampoo. I'm going to hit it a little bit more with the dry shampoo. And now I'm going to take my hair straightener. This is it. It's a brush and a straightener at the same time. If you don't have one like this, you're going to want to brush through it again. But I don't have to do that because it will brush and straighten at the same time. This is going to kind of seal in that color until you wash it out. It's going to help spread the color and the dry shampoo out a little bit. It's going to give your hair a lot more movement. Oh man, I just really like the way this green is looking. Now, oh my gosh, look at the difference. I'm gonna do like a before and an after. I'll do a screen grab of what it looked like before I hit it, put the dry shampoo in it and hit it with the straight iron. That is like such a difference. Look, my hair actually has movement. It's not stiff, sticky, hard, tacky again. You can have a whole rainbow, a temporary rainbow head if you want like this. It works so well. I've played around so much with washout hair color in the past just for cosplay and fun in general. I put eyeshadow on my hair. I put everything you can think of in your hair, But yeah, that's basically it. Like, it's such a difference. It looks so much better when you apply it like the directions say, and then you just do these extra few steps. Like, now if I need to like curl this or crimp it or put it up or do whatever I need to do, I can do it, and it's not going to be like icky, stiff, tacky, gross hair. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. Like, you guys know I love dressing up. I love everything costume, special effects, makeup, cosplay. Con season is upon us, and I'm going to a few big ones this summer. If you guys are going to any cons this summer, let me know in the comments. If you cosplay any characters, especially any Dragonball characters, let me know. I do a gender bend Trunks and also a female Saiyan character that's kind of like me crossed with Vegeta. But let me know what you cosplay. Let me know what type of temporary hair color you like to use. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a like and a comment, hit the notification bell, and as always, keep on slaying like a Saiyan. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram at Original Asherella.